Izzy is 14 and has just started to earn £10 a week by walking her neighbour's dog at the weekend. She wants to make a weekly budget to keep track of her money. How should she go about it? The first step of budgeting is to work out how much money you have coming in. This is called your income. For Izzy, this is £10 from her work and £5 from her parents as pocket money. So £15 each week in total. The next step is to split your income between your outgoings and savings. Your outgoings are everything you'll be spending on over the week. Write down the things you need to pay for first. Izzy has a phone she pays £3 a week towards. Now think about how much you want to save after covering your needs. Izzy wants to save £3 a week so she can meet her savings goal. Finally, work out what you have left to spend on your wants. Izzy has £9 left, which she plans to spend on going out with friends and buying hair accessories. When budgeting, it's important to track how much you spend by writing it down or using an app like GoHenry. Remember, the amount you spend shouldn't be more than your income. If you spend more than you expected to on something, you'll have to cut back on something else. A budget is a plan, and sometimes plans change.